Maraming mga alagang artista ang nalulungkot sa pagpanaw ng batikang columnist at talent manager na si Lolit Solis. Isa na nga dito ay ang kanyang alaga na si Pauline Luna. Sa kanyang post ay sinabi ni Pauline na namimiss niya si Manay Lolit na nagsilbing ina din niya sa mahabang panahon. Kwento ni Pauline, "My dear nanay, I wish the world saw you how your alagas saw you. A mother, a protector, a fighter, and someone who is very loyal. Hindi ka man magaling sa iyong mga salita, ang puso mo naman ay nagsusumabog sa pagmamahal. Hindi ito halata. It took me a while to see it, to feel it, to understand it. Kakaiba ka talaga." Ikinuwento ni Pauline kung gaano ka-generous si Lolit Solis na tinatawag din niyang Nanay Lolit. Every year, Nanay Lolit had list Every year, Nanay Lolit had a list of the gifts she wanted for her birthday and Christmas. The list hardly changed and it made me wonder what she did to all those things she asked for. Sa akin, she would ask for lechon for both occasions and napapaisip talaga ako kung paano niya uubusin yung lechon mag-isa. Yun pala, every time her birthday and Christmas came, she would open her doors to people to come eat and feast and celebrate life with her. Lahat ng mga TV, gadgets, appliances that she would ask for from her alagas, she would donate it to the people who need it. In short, lahat ng hinaharabat niya ay hindi para sa kanya. Hindi lang halata, but she had a very big heart. Ilang mga netizens ang nagsabi na ilan ito sa mga ugali ni Lolit Solis na hindi alam ng karamihan. Dagdag pa ni Pauline, nabigyan siya ng maraming opportunities dahil sa pag-aalaga ng kanyang nanay Lolit. "Nana, you opened so many doors for me. You help an artist so young to reach her dreams. Sa konting kikitain, I would always joke na hindi naman talaga joke, na barya lang ang kinikita niya sa akin compared to her other alagas na big artist." Ipinakita rin ni Pauline ang ilang mga mensahe sa kanya ni Lolit Solis na sobrang na-appreciate kung paano nga maging mami ang isang Pauline Luna. "But what I love most about her is the way she appreciated me as a wife and as a mother. She never failed to make me feel like I was doing a good job. She was always happy for my family life and she always celebrated that. She loved my husband, my children even from afar, and would always tell me so I won't forget. She was so proud of me when I became a wife and a mother. The best years of my life, and for that I am truly, truly grateful." Madalas na binabati din ni Manay Lolit Solis ng happy birthday at nagwi-wish ng maganda para kay Pauline Luna tuwing manganganak ito. Nakaka-touch din ang mensahe ni Manay Lolit na sinasabihan lagi si Pauline na mag-ingat. Napansin din ng mga netizens kung gaano ka-love ni Manay Lolit Solis si Pauline dahil sa isang mensahe nito at ayon nga kay Manay, "Mahal kong Pauline, happiest birthday sa inyo ni Tali. All these years I consider you as one of my daughters, mabait at loyal na anak. Love you forever, your Nay Lolit, my dear Pauline and Tali." Sa isa pang mensahe natuwa si Pauline dahil sobrang na-appreciate siya nito. Sa bandang huli ay sinabi ni Pauline ng ganito, "You are my family, nanay. 20 years with you is not enough. It breaks my heart that you have left us, but I find comfort in the fact that you are now happy, at peace, and pain-free. Till we meet again, nanay, mahal na mahal din kita." Samantala maraming mga kaibigan artista naman ang nakiramay kay Pauline, tulad ni Ryan Agoncillo at Carla Abellana. Ang aktres na si Yasmin Curdy ay sobrang nagluluksa din sa pagpanaw ni Manay Lolit na siya ring manager nito. "I wake up today with a heavy heart, overwhelmed by the shocking news that Nanay Lolit Solis has passed away. For 10 wonderful years, she was more than just my manager. She was like a second nanny to me. The memories we shared are filled with color, laughter, and love. Even after I married and had children, she never forgot to check on me, always showing her genuine care. I will forever cherish how her van smelled like food because it was like a moving kitchen full of desserts and snacks, a symbol of her warmth and generosity. Whenever we traveled out of the country, she made it a point to be my roommate. Even though I was the youngest, she always made me feel loved and protected. Our room was always filled with bread, simple but meaningful moments that made us closer. I also vividly remember how anxious she was during our out-of-town bonding with her alagas abroad. I made a mistake by leaving to find a cart for our luggage without asking permission, and she was so mad. I heard hurtful words she threw my way in front of everyone, and I felt so embarrassed and cried. But looking back, I realized that was her way of caring, her way of speaking pranks and teasing, which sometimes felt harsh but was always rooted in her love. Nanay Lolit had a special fondness for getting harbat or little gifts from people. But those gifts didn't go to her. Instead, She would give them to someone else, someone who couldn't afford to buy a new cell phone, an iPod, or other things. That was her way of sharing her blessings and caring for others, even in simple ways. She had a heart of stone at times, but beneath it was a love so genuine and deep. She cared in her own unique way, and her presence left an indelible mark on my life and the lives of everyone she touched. Thank you, Nanay Lolit, for all the love, guidance, and beautiful memories. You will forever hold a special place in my heart. May you find the eternal happiness you deserve. Samantala nagbigay din ng mensahe ang award-winning actress na si Lorna Tolentino na kung saan ay ilang mensahe ang kanyang ipinabot para sa kanyang manager ng mahabang panahon. Our beloved Manay Lolit Solis has peacefully joined our Creator last July 3, 2025. Manay Lolit lives behind a loving family and many friends who will always cherish her memory. We remember Manay Lolit as a feisty and staunch loyal supporter, manager, and friend. We love you, our dearest Manay. You will be missed. Ayon naman kay Bong Revilla, paalam Nanay Lolit, pahinga ka na, wala nang sakit, wala nang hirap. Sobra kitang mamimiss. Maraming salamat sa pagmamahal at pagkalinga. You have been a solid rock for me. A staunch defender and most importantly, a mother who took care of me and my family up to your last days with us. Para akong nawalan ulit ng nanay. Napakalaki mong kawalan sa napakaraming taong nahaplos ng iyong pagmamahal, gayon din sa industriya to which you dedicated your entire life. Ang aming taos-pusong pakikirami sa lahat ng iyong naiwan, lahat kami ay nagluluksa, mahal na mahal ka namin. Matatandang pumanaw ang nasabing talent manager at columnist na si Lolit Solis noong July 3 dahil na rin sa kanyang mahabang pagbattle ng sakit sa kidney. Almost 3 years na kung saan ay nagdialysis siya at narito pa ang ilan sa mga mensahe ng mga artistang nakiramay sa pamilya ni Manay Lolit.